Hey friends, if you wish to disable or block automatic Windows update from your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now here's one thing that you need to understand, that other websites and channels mention a lot of methods like disabling the Windows update service, like a registry editor method, but please understand that these do not work. Once you reboot your system, it will reset Windows update to normal. And you cannot defer Windows updates for long because Windows updates push security updates. If security updates fail, then your system will not will may be able to catch a virus. So if you really want to do away with Windows updates, the only method is to keep it disconnected from the internet, which is not possible in the 21st century. But if you want to disable it for a while, then the procedure is as follows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, there's an option called pause for 1 week. Okay, you can pause it for 1 week. You can pause it for up to 4 weeks and so on. It mentions a date till which it is paused, and if at any stage you believe that I wish to resume these updates now, simply click on resume updates. Okay, this is what you can do. Now here's one more thing that I usually do, because I know people want to disable Windows updates because it's very irritating. So here's what I do instead. I change the active hours to something else, like it is 8 p.m. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. If I work at some other time, I'll change it to manually, and I'll manually change the time here. It will not update Windows when I am working. It will update Windows when I'm not working. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.